Alrighty, here we are. Okay, so I kind of made a deal with myself that I was going to try and go camping at least once a month, and this weekend was kind of the only weekend I could go, and so we are actually back here at Rampart Range Reservoir, Rampart Range Road, whatever. We're actually at the exact same spot as last time. However, as you can tell, yeah, it is snowing. Yeah, and well, you know when I said that I was gonna do, I was planning on doing some more winter camping this winter, and well, this is kind of what I meant, but I was kind of not really planning on it snowing this weekend. Yeah, as at the beginning of the week, I was keeping a close eye on the weather, and I don't know, I kind of decided just to go, even though as the week went by, I started noticing that it was going to get colder and the weather was going to be not so pleasant. Anyways, I need to get everything all set up here, get into my shelter, if you will, and just do my best. Anyways, yeah, here we go. It is 4:02. It's still snowing out. Oh, I got my tent set up. That's about it. I don't know if you can see all this over here. I haven't even set up my cot or anything. I just got everything just into this tent as quick as possible. Let's see here. Looks like we got snow for the next hour. Oh, until 5. Oh boy. Tomorrow's sunny, which is very important. So here's the deal. Depending on the weather, will definitely depend on how long I stay here this weekend. Primarily, two things. It's depending on the road safety. If the roads are not safe enough, I'll make sure to get out of here hopefully on time. The other thing, this is kind of a big one too, is my solar generator, my solar battery. Well, depends on the sun to charge. And if the sun is not coming out to charge up my battery every morning, yeah, I might need to skip out of here. Anyways, I'm just gonna chill here for now. And just relax. I gotta admit, it's pretty freaking awesome to look out these windows and just see the weather outside. It's pretty cool. Anyways, it's 20 degrees right now. Oh, I forgot to mention, the low of tonight is going to be 11 degrees, which is freaking cold. Man, oh man, did I sure pick a weekend to go camping. It's snowing. It's going to get extremely cold, probably the coldest I've ever camped at. Because I think tomorrow it's going to be below 9 degrees. And yeah, luckily I did upgrade my propane tank. Last time it was a 5-pounder. This is a 10-pounder. Oh, let's see if it keeps me warm. Anyways, time to relax. So it's nearly 6 o'clock. It's getting dark out, and I need to make some dinner. Ooh, it's cold. Oh, sliding. Oh. Struggling with this thing. Okay, I won't make you watch the whole thing here. Anyways. Well, it is 9 o'clock, and I'm just gonna put one last movie on to go to bed, and see if I can fall asleep here. It is 58 degrees inside, and How cold is it outside? It's 12 degrees outside. A little chilly in here. I'm definitely layered up. Anyways, let's see if I can get some decent sleep tonight. And I will see you in the morning. Ooh, it's about 9 o'clock, and I haven't had breakfast per se. I had some coffee earlier, but I need to get the day started because I need to get this solar generator charged up. So, anyways, man, it did get cold last night. There's a lot of condensation that froze to this tent, and when I turned on the heater at full blast this morning, everything started melting. Yeah, so it was dripping from all over the place, dripping from the ceiling, and it got all over my bed. But yeah, just gotta hope that it dries up throughout the day. It's still kind of dripping. Anyways, yeah, I need to get things started here and actually have a full breakfast. So I will see you later. About 9 o'clock. What? No, it's not 9 o'clock. No, it's about 12. And I'm gonna go and make myself some lunch. Okay. Huh. Oop. The noodle soup is a little frozen. It wasn't entirely frozen, so it came out of the can. So I'm starting to think that I need to optimize my winter camping gear. I absolutely don't use a lot of my gear that I used to use for summer camping. So, I mean, in terms of cooking alone, I'm just using this little cook set I bought. I don't even use this entire case right here of all the cooking gear. So yeah, I need to just trim things down when it comes to winter camping. All right, so I'm just gonna finish cooking this here and probably watch a movie. All right, so it's nearly 5:30, and as you can tell, sun's going down, so I need to make myself some dinner and kind of wrap things up for the night. I just spent the last 30 minutes troubleshooting my propane heater. It wouldn't ignite. Turned out there was some kind of valve stuck on the propane tank. Ugh. I was getting worried it wasn't going to turn on. It's going to get really cold again tonight. Anyways, I got it lit. So now, I'm just going to warm up here. Oh, that would have sucked if that thing didn't light. It is 10 o'clock and I'm still watching a movie. I'm not quite tired yet. Hopefully I can get to bed here soon. Anyways, yeah, it's been a fun and cold weekend, but yeah, tomorrow I head back home. Anywho, I will see you tomorrow morning. Oh. Good morning. It is 9:46. Oh, slept all right. Actually, I tried a few new things last night. So I've noticed occasionally when I'm sleeping, my legs get overly warm because I'm wearing like wool thermals, and I got a heated blanket and my down, and my legs start to really get warm, and it wakes me up occasionally. So I actually tried just sleeping in my just flat out underwear last night. Worked, did pretty good. But I do notice I have a problem. My my inflatable pillow is just sliding all over the place, and I'm constantly adjusting it. So I think when it comes to tent camping like this, I think I might just do just a regular pillow. Yeah. What was the other thing I tried? Oh, I got this new balaclava. It's a down balaclava. It just goes over your head. I'd get it out to show you, but I already unfortunately packed it. Anyways, I'm just eating breakfast here. Drinking my coffee. And just slowly just getting ready here to leave. I'm not in any kind of hurry. It is Sunday. And yeah. Anyways, yeah. I will probably see you either when I'm packing stuff up or when I'm taking off. Well, it is 12 o'clock and everything's all packed up here. It was a interesting weekend, fun adventure though. Yeah, I definitely had to overcome some fears. For one, if you know me, if it's snowing out, I don't like to drive. And that's one thing I had to do here. On my drive here, it was definitely starting to snow. And then when I got here, yeah, it was snowing. And I definitely had to battle the cold this time around. It was decently freezing. Anyways, I survived, and definitely glad I came out here. So I hope you enjoy the venture. Take care. Bye.